Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. The New York apartment. Full story. A young Jamaican woman went to rent an apartment in Rosedale, Queens, New York. She met with the landlord and got the apartment instantly. During the interview, the landlord mentioned that her husband, who was the original owner of the house, had passed away some time ago and she was now living downstairs with her two adult children. As soon as the landlord learned that the young woman was Jamaican, she asked her if she knew any Jamaican remedies to cleanse the house of bad spirits. She casually mentioned that her daughter was recently afflicted with a demon who won't leave her alone. The young woman told the landlord that even though she's Jamaican, her mother is a Christian and therefore she doesn't know what to tell her. The young woman moved in shortly after, and everything was wonderful. The apartment was cozy and the view was breathtaking. Some time passed and everything seemed fine until one night, before all her curtains were up, she felt an eerie feeling like someone was watching her. And this feeling went on every night until the curtains were up. The young woman knew it couldn't be a neighbor, as the house next door was demolished and abandoned. Nobody lived there. It was just complete darkness in the night time. One night, the young woman came from work, took off her clothes and went straight to bed. It was one of those days. As she closed her eyes, she felt her spirit leave her body and looked down at her body sleeping. She felt her spirit go to the stairs of her apartment, and that's when she saw him. As her spirit stopped at the stairs of her apartment, she saw a white man with dark hair walking up the stairs holding a book and a cup of tea. The white man looked at her curiously, wondering if she was really seeing him. They both stared at each other in silence. The young woman felt her spirit draw back into her body and she woke up instantly. She remembered everything that had happened. She then decided to pray and go back to bed. She didn't tell the landlord what happened either because she didn't want to open
Link in bio.
in case it's the spirit of the landlord's husband. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.